Welcome back. Time now for business news. Cigarettes and tobacco distribution company Carreras has confirmed plans to enter the ganja dispensary market in Jamaica, but not until ongoing scientific research into that kind of business is concluded. Andrew Laidley reports.
With an established distribution chain in Jamaica and the region, Carreras wants to take advantage of the growing ganja dispensary market. Managing Director Raul Glynn now disclosing that the company has plans to venture into that market, but he admitted that Carreras is in no hurry to do so.
That's one of those things that you don't want to make a mistake with because it's an unknown territory. So we prefer to have as much science and focus behind it. But when the time comes, believe me, we are going to be there because Jamaica is very difficult for us to have that product that is Jamaica as a whole and not maximize on it.
He says there are many opportunities associated with that business, which the company is eager to explore once adequate research has been done.
There's a lot of elements of it with PRRP, which is potentially reduced risk product, which is the vaping products, etc. That is fantastic in terms of how it works together with the product, but let the research take place and we'll see what takes place.
In the meantime, Mr. Glynn says the company is focused on providing safer products for consumers who demand it.
While FMC cigarettes continue to be a core part of our business, we want to make sure we bring new elements into it, fulfilling that need of consumers for different types of smoking elements, but also safer products. And that's one thing that we have with the PRRP, which is the potentially reduced risk product, mainly the vaping product. Is significantly safer than cigarettes. And that's already fulfilling that need of that consumer to still partake in that ritual, but with a safer offer. And we also, similarly, we have it to tackle grabber, because grabber is a big part of the Jamaican environment as well in terms of consumption. So we have loose tobacco also coming in, etc., etc.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The Fair Trading Commission FTC is recommending that the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology MSET take the lead on implementing a more robust regulatory framework for the cooking gas market. The ministry is being urged to formulate a cylinder monitoring mechanism that establishes the rules governing the custody of cylinders. The FTC says this will benefit the market by leveling the playing field to new market participants, while at the same time addressing environmental and safety concerns. MSET is also being encouraged to create and operationalize a mechanism for vetting marketing companies' integrity, specifically their business practices. The FTC believes that such a mechanism will improve entry conditions into the market and increase consumer choice. In currency trading today, the U.S. dollar continued to make gains, selling for a record $154.39. The Canadian dollar closed at $129.01. The pound is going for $213.40, while the euro sold for $186.24. The JC Index gained 170 points today, and the Junior Market Index inched up 23 points. Among the winners were stationery and office supplies, Salada Foods, Berger Paints, Lasco Manufacturing, and 1834 Investments. On the losing side were Consolidated Bakeries, Fossrich, GMMB Group 7.25%, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and SSL Venture Capital. And that's the business day. When we come back, news from overseas.